Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Opera and ensuring it's updated. This avoids compatibility issues. Sign in with your Opera account so extensions and settings sync across devices. Once signed in, go to Extensions and enable Developer Mode if you plan to load unpacked extensions. Doing this first saves time later because you'll already have permissions and a compatible browser state. Now move to browsing the extension catalog to pick a trustworthy add-on and prepare to install it. You'll search the Opera add-on store first. It's curated for compatibility. If you need more options, enable the Chrome extensions add-on and use the Chrome Web Store because Opera supports many Chrome extensions. Once you find an extension, read permissions and ratings to understand what it accesses and why. Click Add to Opera, confirm the permission dialog, and watch the short install progress. If it needs extra setup, follow the extension's onboarding, prompts to configure basic preferences. You finish by managing the new extension on the Extensions page. Pin it for quick access, adjust options, or remove it if unwanted. Make sure to configure any settings the add-on needs because default values might not match your workflow. If something breaks, first disable other extensions to check for conflicts. Next, reinstall the problematic add-on and clear Opera's cache to remove stale data. If problems persist, toggle Developer Mode and check the Extensions console for errors so you
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.